Good morning, students. I hope you all are well and staying at home. Today we will discuss data handling with our new topic. In this topic, we will discuss about probability. The meaning of probability. Probability is used to describe random or chances of event to occur. Every day we are faced with probability statements involving the words now event or probability. An event is some specified result that may or may not occur when an experiment is performed. For example, in an experiment of tossing a coin once, the coin handling with heads facing up is an event since it may or may not occur. The probability of an event is a measure of the likelihood of its occurrence. Now, the equal likelihood models. This model applies when the possible outcomes of an experiment are equally likely to occur. Suppose there are n equally likely possible outcomes from an experiment, then the probability that a specified event equals the number of ways f that the event can occur divided by the total number n of possible outcomes. It means probability of an event is equal to possible outcomes upon total outcomes. As you see here, the formula probability is f upon n. F means number of ways event which can occur and n means total number of possible outcomes. In other words, in a situation where several different outcomes are possible, we define the probability for any particular outcome as a fraction of the proportion. Now, we take an example so that you can easily understand the topic of probability. A jar contains 1000 marbles, 1800 are black and 200 are red. What is the probability of drawing a black marble out of the jar? Now for its solution, here 800 is the number of possible outcomes because we want only black marbles. So total number of black marbles is 800. So it is our possible outcomes F, and total number of possible outcomes is 1000, which is N. So the probability is P for black. P means probability for black marble is equal to possible outcomes, which is 800, upon total outcomes, which is 1000. It means 800 upon 1000, which comes 8 upon 10, that is equal to 0.8. And if the question asks to us probability of red marbles, then we have 200 red marbles. So the probability of red is 200 upon 1000. After cancelling it, we get 2 upon 10, that is equal to 0.2. the probability of drawing a black marble is much higher than the probability of you picking a red marble because there are more black marbles in the jar. As you see here, number of black marbles is greater than number of red marbles. So the probability of picking a black marble is more than red marble. And one more thing is here that total probability of all the events is always 1. If we add black marble plus red marble, probability of black marble and probability of red marble, which is 0.8 plus 0.2, that is equal to 1. It means probability of all the events is 1, and probability always lies between 0 to 1. It means any event having minimum probability is 0 and maximum probability is 1. I hope you all understand about this topic. Thanks for watching it.